Hello friends, in this video we will see questions from engineering thermodynamics for your TH Genco AE. The area under the temperature TS curve gives in any thermodynamic processes represents the heat absorbed or rejected, both. Heat absorbed or rejected both. TdS is equal to dq. From second of thermodynamics, dq is equal to ds is equal to dq by t. ds is equal to dq by t. S entropy, q heat, capital T absolute temperature. The main cause for the irreversibility. These are all the reasons for irreversibility: unrestricted expansion, mechanical line fluid friction, heat transfer with finished temperature difference, and all of the above. The isothermal and adiabatic process are regarded as which process? They are regarded as a reversible process. What is a reversible process, by the way? It is a process in which the system can be brought from initial to final state and final state to initial state without any changing the surroundings. An adiabatic process is one in which all of the above. The temperature of the gas changes, no heat leaves or enters the gas, the change in internal energy is equal to the mechanical work done. So in the adiabatic process, you know that from the first of thermodynamics, we know that dq is equal to du plus dw, right? Adiabatic process, dq is equal to 0. So du is equal to d omega dw. Change in internal energy is equal to work done. Isochoric process, it is nothing but constant volume process, another name. No mechanical work is done by the system. No mechanical work is done by the system. Why? What is dw? Pdv, right? Isochoric process is volume constant. When volume is constant, dv is equal to 0. Change in volume is equal to 0. So dw is equal to 0. So though no, that means there is no mechanical work is done by the system. Kelvin Planck's deals with what? It is going to deal with conversion of heat into work. Conversion of heat into work. Not the work into heat. Right. A heat engine converts heat into the mechanical work. Okay. But whereas in a compressor, we use the work, and because of which we get some heat rejection. Kelvin Planck's deals with, once again, it is a conversion of heat into work. Once again, it is given, friends. The total energy of a molecule is shared equally by the various degrees of freedom possessed by it. This law is known as law of equipartition of energy. It is not the degradation, nor the conservation. Conservation of the law, energy law, says that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can be converted from one form to another, whereas the energy forms may be either heat or work. Intensity properties of a system is the one whose value is independent of the mass of the system, does not depend on the mass of the system, like temperature, pressure. But volume is a extensive property which is going to depend upon the mass of the system, because mass by volume is equal to density. Extensive property of the system is the one in which it depends upon the mass of the system, like volume. In the PVT coordinates, PT are the intensive properties, V is the extensive property. PVT are the very important properties of any ideal gas or gas. Temperature of a gas is produced due to what? It is produced due to kinetic energy of the molecules. Kinetic energy of the molecules is responsible for temperature of the gas. Neither the heating value, nor repulsion, nor surface tension. Surface tension is a line energy. It is a linear force. Surface tension is a linear force. Force per unit length, Newton per meter are the units of surface tension, or it is the energy per unit volume, or unit area. Energy per unit area, energy by area, or force by length, both are same. Energy is equal to Newton meters by area, meter square. Again it is going to give Newton per meter. Force by length, Newton by meter, both are same. Energy per unit area or force per unit. Kinetic energy of a molecule in terms of absolute temperature of gas is proportional to, it's a good question, friends, directly T. absolute temperature. not the normal temperature. Cycle consisting of dash and two isothermal processes known as Stirling cycle. Stirling cycle has two constant volume processes, and two temperature constant process. It has some relationship with Otto cycle, whereas your reverse adiabatic process is replaced by constant temperature process. A cycle consisting of dash and dash two isothermal process is known as Stirling cycle. Once again, it is given same two constant volume process, two constant volume, two constant temperature. Isothermal. The behavior of a perfect gas undergoing any change in the variables which control physical properties is governed by, it is governed by all the laws, Boyle's, Gay-Lussac's, Charles' law, all of the above. The kinetic energy per kg molecule of any gas at absolute temperature is equal to R is the universal gas constant, Ru. What is this? It is 1.5 RT, Ru or RT, universal gas constant. What is the value? 8.314 kilojoule per kg Kelvin or 8314 joule per kg Kelvin. The general law for expansion or compression of the gases is C, PV into the power of P to V to the power of N is equal to C. It is also called polytropic process. If N is equal to gamma, it is known as a reverse adiabatic process or isentropic process. In an isothermal process, all of the above. There is no change in enthalpy, no change in energy, no change in temperature, all of the above. The hyperbolic process is governed by, it is Boyle's law. PV is equal to C. It is also called Boyle's law or hyperbolic process. An isothermal process is governed by Boyle's law. Once again, at constant temperature, the product of pressure into volume is called constant, absolute temperature. Okay friends, in the next video we are going to see some more questions from thermodynamics. See you all in the next video.